Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Hello, this is Motor Jockey Sumit. This is your Motor Jockey Sumit, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Hello, this is Motor Jockey Sumit, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Hello, this is Sumit Jha. Hello, this is Motor Jockey Sumit, and I welcome to you. Hello, this is Sumit Jha, your Motor Jockey. Hello, this is Motor Jockey Sumit, and I welcome you all to my YouTube channel. Welcome once again. So as we all know, अभी तो लॉकडाउन चल रहा है और इस पर्टिकुलर टाइम पे हम कर ही क्या सकते हैं, एक्सेप्ट दीज व्लॉग्स. मोटो व्लॉग तो कर नहीं पा रहा, एंड आई एम सो मच वेटिंग फॉर कि लॉकडाउन खुले और कब मैं अपनी हिमानी को लेके निकलूँ बाहर. एक तो पहला मोटो व्लॉग्स पहले करे भी हैं, बट कभी यूट्यूब पे अपलोड नहीं कर पाया. आई वाज़न्ट श्योर कि मेरे को करना चाहिए या नहीं करना चाहिए, बट नाउ आई एम वेरी वेरी श्योर कि व्हाट आई विल डू एंड हाउ विल आई डू. सो आई एम वेरी एक्साइटेड फॉर ईच एंड एवरीथिंग नाउ. सो मोटो व्लॉग जब भी शुरू होगा, आई एम होपिंग कि ये 3 मई को ख़त्म हो जाए, एंड आई होप कि हम सब अपने घर पर हैं. एज मोदी सेज, स्टे होम, स्टे सेफ. सो एज आई टोल्ड यू that we should all support him, and we should encourage him by telling him that we all are with him. So hope you guys are doing that. Now today I came on camera with a very interesting topic because I was reading an article yesterday. So the article was about मैं इतना इंग्लिश में क्यों बात कर रहा हूँ, आई डोंट नो. पता नहीं क्या होता है, लाइक जब भी कैमरा के सामने आता है ना, बाय डिफॉल्ट इतना वो हो जाता है, आई डोंट नो. सो प्लीज़ माफ़ कर देना मेरे को. देखो मेरी टी शर्ट पे लिखा भी है, हम नहीं सुधरेंगे. मैंने बहुत कोशिश करता हूँ ना, घर में भी कोशिश कर रहा था बहुत, तो बट सो चलो जोक्स बाकी सब छोड़ छाड़ के लेट्स कम टू द टॉपिक. सो टुडेज टॉपिक इज व्हाट? टुडेज टॉपिक इज the article that I read yesterday. What was the article that I read yesterday? बोल दूं? बता दूं? So the article was about the five most. What 5 most? अच्छा, I'll tell you. इंडिया में इस टाइम 5 most affordable inline 4-cylinder engines बोले तो बाइक की बात कर रहा हूँ. 5 most affordable inline 4-cylinder bikes that I'm going to talk about today. There's a list, so I'll tell you one by one. So list में सबसे पहला नंबर जो है, guess which bike is that? Guess करो भाई, guess करो. Okay, I'll tell you. So the first bike that is the most affordable inline 4-cylinder engine is, अच्छा inline 4-cylinder engine भी बताना है ना. हाँ यार, मैं कैसा क्या ही सोच रहा था, मैं पहले लिस्ट ही बता रहा था. I have to tell you. So I know आप लोगों को पता होगा, but still just a brief, I would like to brief कि inline 4-cylinder engine, when I say that, what does that mean? That simply means कि as it is self-explanatory that inline 4 cylinders, 4 सिलेंडर, वो बाइक्स जो इंडिया में मोस्ट अफोर्डेबल हैं जिनमें 4 सिलेंडर है, और वो सिलेंडर्स इनलाइन है. इनलाइन मीन्स देयर आर 2 टाइप्स ऑफ इंजन, इनलाइन इंजन्स एंड वी इंजन्स. लाइक आपने सुना होगा V8 इंजन, V6 इंजन, V ट्विन इंजन. तो ये होता है. तो इनलाइन इंजन में क्या होता है, ये एक क्रैंक है. लेट्स सपोज दिस इज अ क्रैंक, और ये चारों सिलेंडर्स यहां पे होते, 1 2 3 4, चारों अप एंड डाउन एक ही क्रैंक पे काम कर रहे होते. बट नाउ आई विल टेल यू द डिफरेंस बिटवीन इनलाइन इंजन्स एंड V engines, which is V8 engine, V6 engine, V twin engine. So twin is 2 cylinder, 6 is, like let's say it is V6 engine, that means 6 cylinder. V8 means 8 cylinders. The more cylinder, the more power. As simple as that. So V twin engine में क्या होता है, let's say अगर दो सिलेंडर का इंजन है, तो एक सिलेंडर ऐसे होगा और एक सिलेंडर ऐसे होगा. So it is in V shape. अगर 6 सिलेंडर है तो 3 सिलेंडर ऐसे और 3 सिलेंडर ऐसे, बट क्रैंक एक ही होगा उसमें भी. सो दिस इज हाउ इट इज. सो इफ आई टॉक अबाउट कार्स एंड बाइक्स, तो बाइक्स में जो लेट्स से हार्ले डेविडसन, जो अपर एंड की क्रूजर बाइक्स हैं, उनमें V8 इंजन होता है, और नॉर्मल कावासाकी और जो स्पोर्ट्स बाइक हैं उनमें इनलाइन इंजन्स हैं. मतलब अंडर परफॉर्मेंस, I cannot even tell them under performance, but today I'm just going to talk about inline 4-cylinder engines. So the first bike that is in my list is okay, that is Benelli TNT 600i mid-lifted face version. I'm talking about that. So pre-lifted version तो इंडिया में ऑलरेडी है. Now mid face lifted version that I'm talking about, that has already been launched in China last year. इंडिया में मे बी इस एंड ऑफ द ईयर या फिर नेक्स्ट ईयर तक आ सकता है. एंड दैट विल कॉस्ट यू अराउंड 6,20,000 एक्स शोरूम प्राइस. दैट विल बी द एक्स शोरूम प्राइस, which has 84 bhp power at 11,500 rpm. That is the maximum power that particular bike generate, and 54.6 newton meter torque at 10,500 rpm. This is the specification of the bike that I can tell, and I must assure you that this could be the most affordable and amazing machine. I would say affordable machine that somebody can have. Somebody can have to call it a super bike. So that's Benelli TNT. हम सबको पता है ना Benelli. ओहो क्या आवाज होती है यार, क्या आवाज होती है, ऐसी आवाज, अनबीटेबल आवाज. सो आई होप जब भी इंडिया में आए हम लोग आप लोग इसको पसंद करो. ऑलराइट, सो as I said that we have 5 bikes in our list. The second bike that I'm going to talk about is, now guess, at least brand to guess karo. The first is Benelli. And one more thing about the Benelli TNT 600i that I just talk about, कि अगर ये इंडिया में लॉन्च हो चुकी है then do let me know, because कुछ आर्टिकल्स में I have read कि it hasn't been launched yet in India, and हो सकता है लॉन्च भी हो सके, कि I'm not sure how genuine that article is, but I tried to find that as per my sources, but I couldn't find that information whether it has been launched in India or not. That's why I request you all that please do let me know if it has been launched in India or not. Alright friends and family, so now the second bike that I'm going to talk about, which is in my list, is coming from a very trusted brand, that is Suzuki. The second bike that I'm talking about is Suzuki GSX S750, which is very self-explanatory that it is coming with a 750cc engine. I'll be more precise, that is 749 cc engine. That is a liquid cooled engine, and again it's a one-line 4-cylinder engine. Inline, I would say inline 4-cylinder engines. So I'll talk about the specification of the bike. So the bike is coming with amazing massive power of 114 bhp power at 10,500 rpm, and an amazing torque, that is 81 newton meter torque at 9,000 rpm. This bike has been launched or not, I'm not sure about that. So I just request, if this bike has been launched, again I want to request you all that if this bike has been launched, do let me know in comments and give me your support. Now I'll tell you the pricing of the bike. The pricing of the bike will be close to 7,50,000 ex showroom in India. This will be the price of the bike. So as my t-shirt says, हम नहीं सुधरेंगे. We all I hope कि हम मोटर व्लॉगर्स बाइक्स के लिए कितने क्रेजी होते हैं. ये एक मोटरसाइकिल एंथुसियास्ट, या जो who somebody who is into biking, who is into treating their bikes like their first love, only that person can understand, and maybe that person will be more able to connect with this vlog, this effort. So I don't know kitno ko acha lagega, but still I want to do this because I love to do this. So now I'll talk about the third bike that is in. Okay, so the third bike, जो तीसरी बाइक है हमारे लिस्ट में for today, that is again inline 4-cylinder engine bike, and that is also coming from a Japanese brand, and that is the one of the most common और ट्रस्टेबल ब्रांड है. गैस करो. अरे ये तो गैस कर ही सकते हो यार. एवरीबडी, एज आई सेड, इट्स अ वेरी कॉमन एंड अ जापानीज ब्रांड. जब जापानीज नाम ही लगते के साथ ही ब्रांड कोई भी गैस कर सकता है. जस्ट गैस इट नाउ. यस, यू आर राइट. इट्स Kawasaki. The third bike is coming from Kawasaki, and that is Z900. Yes, it is Z900, which is one of the amazing and most trustable bike that you can see with any of the super bikers. जो भी super biker लोग बाइक खरीदते हैं और उसको चलाने में रखते हैं. सो उन लोगों की बहुत ही कॉमन चॉइस होती है Z900, Z800. कावासाकी की पूरी जो रेंज है ना, दैट इज अमेजिंग. आप लोगों ने क्या सोचा था? मैं सुजुकी की बात कर रहा हूँ. आई मीन सुजुकी हायाबुसा की बात कर रहा हूँ ना, है ना? यही सोचा था ना? No, it's a Z900. Yes, that is very affordable because that comes with 900cc engine, and that is priced at around 7 lakh. I would say 8 lakh पकड़ के चलो, because it was mentioned कि 7.99. So basically 8 lakh, सवा 8 लाख लेके चलो. 8 लाख 25,000 के आसपास का है. It produces an amazing power of 125 bhp. Wow. So if I talk about the power and the torque ratio, of Kawasaki Z900, that is also very amazing. That's also very attractive because 125 bhp ka power with a 91 Newton meter torque with in a price range of 8 lakh. That's really amazing. And as well as with the brand name Kawasaki, that's really unbeatable. This Kawasaki Z900 is also competing with Duke 790 and the bike that I just shared, that is on the number 2 in my list, that is Suzuki GSX S750. So these are very competitive against each other, but Kawasaki Z900 की बात ही अलग है यार. मैंने देखी है, that's really amazing. Now I'll move to the fourth bike that I'm going to talk about today. Okay, so लगता है हम लोग सुधर जाएंगे कभी. सही टी शर्ट पहनी ना, हम नहीं सुधरेंगे. Okay, now I'll talk about the fourth bike which is in our list, and that bike is coming from a very well-known brand. That is again a Japanese brand, and that is Kawasaki हो गया, Suzuki हो गया. So these are the Japanese brands. The third brand which is left is Honda. That is Honda CBR 650R. Yes, that is also in our list. Though it is 649cc oil-cooled engine, that is also an inline 4-cylinder engine that is priced close to Z900. वो 7.5 से 8 लाख के रेंज में है. थोड़ी सीसी के अकॉर्डिंग बाइक महंगी है, as well as I would say, if I talk about the specification, that generates a power of 88 88 bhp at 11,500 rpm, and a power of 60 Newton meter torque at 8,000 rpm. I understand, I'll tell you why I have kept this bike in this list is because फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल इट इज कमिंग फ्रॉम होंडा. सो आंख बंद करके भरोसा कर सकते हैं. अगर किसी को लेना हो ना, अगर कोई होंडा का फैन है, आंख बंद करके ले सकते हो. ये कभी मत सोचना कि 649cc तो ये इट कैन बी बीटेबल. इट इज अनबीटेबल. ट्रस्ट मी गाइस, बहुत अमेजिंग बाइक है. सर्विस कॉस्ट कम, होंडा का रिलायबिलिटी है. यू कैन ट्रस्ट देम कि पार्ट्स इजीली अवेलेबल होते हैं, खराबी नहीं होती है, और बहुत अमेजिंग बाइक है. So this is the fourth, which is again Honda CBR 650R. That is an amazing bike. Yes, so many super bikers, जो भी vloggers आप देखोगे या फिर super bikers देखोगे, उनके पास Honda CBR 650 आपको मिल जाएगी. इसके अलग अलग ranges भी है, but since I'm talking about inline 4-cylinder engines, that's why this bike is also in our list. So now we are moving to our fifth and the last bike for today. Okay, अब थोड़ा पास आ गया हूँ मैं. because अब जाने का time हो गया है almost, because now we are almost done with our list. I'm going to talk about the fifth bike that is in our list, and that is again coming from a brand that I called Boss. You know, वो brand ही अपने आप में एक boss है, और उस brand की एक bike already हमारे list में है. Just guess, try to guess that bike. Okay, that bike is again coming from Kawasaki, and the bike that is okay, the bike that is on the fifth number. ये नंबरिंग जो करिए, इट्स वेरी रैंडम. डोंट थिंक कि जो नंबर 1 पे है वो वेरी दैट इज सुपीरियर. तो सुपीरियरिटी कोई नहीं है. आई एम नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट सुपीरियरिटी. I have just kept these bikes randomly. I have given the number randomly to these bikes. So don't think कि पहले नंबर वाली bike is better, this दूसरे वाली is not better than the first one. So it is very random. Don't go like that. Now I'll just talk about now the fifth bike that is coming from Kawasaki, and that is Kawasaki 1000. This bike, as I said, it is Boss, just amazing. 1000 cc, an amazing super bike. It is coming ahead, it comes with 1043. So Kawasaki 1000 will produce 1042 bhp at 11,000 rpm and 111 Newton meter torque at 7,000 rpm. So this, just imagine, 7,000 पे ही 111 का जो ये रेशियो है, that's really amazing. So I would say कि ये मेरी फेवरेट हो जाएगी अगर मैं इन पांचों में से अगर सिलेक्ट करूं, because obviously this is 1043 cc. Just imagine the power, the amount of power that you will get in the first rev. पहले गियर में ही ये क्रॉस कर जाती है 100-125. The Kawasaki claims that this bike will reach to 100 kilometers per hour within the first 3.3 seconds. Just imagine, 3 सेकंड में 100 किलोमीटर की स्पीड. Yes. Okay, so एक चीज तो भूल ही गया था. Kawasaki 1000 का प्राइस, and that will be close to around 10.5 लाख. 10.5 लाख. That will be the ex showroom price in India, and that is, yes, it is available in India right now. So Kawasaki 1000 will also give you a top speed of 250 kilometers. That is claimed by the company itself. Now just imagine what you can achieve at that speed. I would never say that, I never say or encourage somebody to ride at that pace, because I prefer long touring. So I'm a tourer. I'm what kind of motor vlogs that I do, I like to do is long rides. 600 किलोमीटर, 1000 किलोमीटर, 400 किलोमीटर, 300 किलोमीटर, 1200 किलोमीटर, 2200 किलोमीटर. So I prefer to do touring. So being a tourer, I never prefer high speed. I always prefer touring within 80 to 100, sometime 60 as well. पहाड़ों पे तो speed अपने आप ही 30 to 40 हो जाती है. So I'm talking about highway 80 से 100 के बीच में I normally ride. कभी 60 पे भी कर लेते हैं, because हिमालयन है मेरी. 100 के ऊपर मैं अगर लेके जाऊं, so I don't prefer it comfortable. So that's why this is what I prefer, 80 से 100 के बीच में रखना. So this was the list that I could manage to get for you guys. It was about V-Line 4-cylinder engines that is most affordable in India. Alright, now with this, I would like to say a thankful goodbye to everyone who has watched this video, who has liked the video. And even if you didn't like the video, do let me know which part you didn't like, which part I shall improve on. I would really love to do that. And thank you so much for watching this video. Do subscribe my channel by pressing that red tag. I would say please press that. Do press the bell icon as well, so that whenever I do a video, I do a vlog, you guys can get the notification about that. So thank you so much. Stay tuned, stay safe, stay